Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Magic Bullet is probably one of the most iconic personal blenders on the market, and for good reason. Its compact design and ease of use have made it a kitchen staple for years. But is it still a good choice in today's world of high-powered blenders and fancy gadgets? In this video, we'll dive deep into the Magic Bullet, exploring its features, performance, and whether it's the right blender for you. Number 5. Fullstar 15 ounces Portable Blender. Introducing the Fullstar Portable Blender. This compact blender lets you enjoy fresh smoothies and shakes wherever you are. It's perfect for a quick and healthy drink on the go. With its 180W motor, this mini blender easily blends smoothies, protein shakes, and more. The removable cup and sipper lid make it super convenient. You can take it to the office, gym, or anywhere. This personal blender features one-button pulse control and clear measurement marks. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Plus, the cord wraps around the base for tidy storage. The blender uses heavy-duty stainless steel 4-blade technology. It effortlessly crushes fruits, vegetables, and ice. You'll get perfectly smooth results every time. This versatile blender is also great for baby food, juices, and even cocktails. It's an essential tool for any kitchen, offering convenience and quality. You will love it. The Fullstar blender is UL certified, ensuring it meets strict safety standards. It also includes a handy cleaning brush to keep it in top condition. Enjoy your healthy drinks with peace of mind. What we like. This blender is perfect for those always on the move. Its portable design and sipper lid make it incredibly convenient for enjoying fresh smoothies anywhere. If you have a busy lifestyle and need a quick and easy way to get your daily dose of fruits and veggies, you should consider this. What people say. The Magic Bullet is a compact and versatile blender. It's perfect for making smoothies, shakes, and other blended drinks. The blades are sharp and efficient, quickly pulverizing fruits, vegetables, and ice. Number 4. Magic Bullet MBR 0701 AK 7-piece blender set. This Magic Bullet allows you to quickly blend, mix, and chop your favorite foods. It's perfect for creating a variety of dishes in a matter of seconds. It's a convenient tool for any kitchen. The high-torque 250-watt motor provides the power for all your blending needs. It makes quick work of any ingredients you put inside. There's no limit to what you can create. The set includes a 250W motor base, a cross blade, a tall cup, a short cup, stay fresh resealable lids, a lip ring, and a recipe guide. These accessories make it easy to create a variety of recipes. Everything you need is right there. The cross blade is made from stainless steel, and the cups are made from super durable plastic. This ensures that it can withstand regular use. It's built to last. Cleaning is hassle-free. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. It's designed for your convenience. This product comes with a 1-year limited warranty. This warranty protects you against any defects in materials or workmanship. You can buy with confidence. What we like. This Magic Bullet is a versatile kitchen companion, perfect for a variety of tasks. With its powerful motor, it can handle everything from smoothies to sauces with ease. If you are looking for a simple, all-in-one solution for your blending and food processing needs, you should consider this. What people say. The Magic Bullet is perfect for making smoothies. It is easy to use and clean. The design is compact and takes up very little space. Number 3. Magic Bullet MBR 1701-piece 17-piece set. This Magic Bullet is built to last. It's made from BPA-free plastic and stainless steel, ensuring it can handle all your food preparation needs. You can rely on it for long-lasting use. The Magic Bullet comes with 17 sharp blades. They are designed to chop, slice, shred, and puree a wide variety of ingredients. It makes food preparation quick and easy. This product is incredibly versatile. You can use it for chopping vegetables, fruits, nuts, cheese, and so much more. It's a great tool for any kitchen. Cleaning up is a breeze with this Magic Bullet. It's dishwasher safe, so you can quickly and simply clean it after use. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. The Magic Bullet is designed to save space. It measures just 12.5 inches wide, making it easy to store and transport. It's perfect for any kitchen, big or small. What we like. This set is designed for durability and versatility. The sharp blades and multipurpose functionality make it ideal for various food preparation tasks. If you like to experiment in the kitchen and need a tool that can handle chopping, slicing, and pureeing, you should consider this. What people say. Magic bullets are great for blending and chopping just about anything in smaller quantities. It has a nice weight and the plastic cups feel sturdy. Powerful enough to chop frozen fruits with no problem. Number 2. Magic Bullet MBR 1701 17-piece mixing set. This 17-piece high-speed mixing system is designed to chop, whip, and blend. It's a versatile tool for all your kitchen needs. The cups are made from durable, see-through, high-impact plastic. You can easily see your ingredients as they transform. The set includes a power base, blades, cups, mugs, lip rings, lids, and a recipe book. It has everything you need to get started. Get results in 10 seconds or less with its simple press-down operation. It's designed for speed and convenience. The cups and mugs are microwave and freezer safe. Plus, all the parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This product is built to meet North American electrical standards. You can be sure it's safe and reliable. What we like. This high-speed mixing system is perfect for those who need a comprehensive blending solution. With its numerous accessories, it offers unparalleled versatility. If you like having all the tools you need at your fingertips for quick and easy meal prep, you should consider this. What people say. The MB's compact size means it's easy to store. By design, the MB already has your serving size predetermined. I've only used the MB to make smoothies shakes and it works great. Number 1. IMPRESA Magic Bullet Cup Holder, 2-pack black. Tired of a messy kitchen? This IMPRESA cup holder is designed to organize your Magic Bullet accessories. It provides a seamless fit for your kitchen essentials. Make your meal prep easier. This organizer keeps your Magic Bullet cups and lids within reach. It saves you time and effort every morning. This sleek, black plastic holder can hold up to 6 cups and 12 lids. Its compact design is perfect for optimizing limited kitchen space. Installing this cup holder is simple. It comes with pre-applied mounting tape for secure placement under your cabinets. The durable plastic promises long-lasting utility. This organizer isn't just for Magic Bullet accessories. You can also use it as a lid organizer or coffee mug holder. It enhances your kitchen's functionality and tidiness. What we like. This organizer is a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their kitchen tidy and efficient. It maximizes space and ensures your Magic Bullet accessories are always within reach. If you are looking for a way to declutter your kitchen and streamline your meal prep routine, you should consider this. What people say. The Magic Bullet is a compact and versatile blender. It's perfect for making smoothies, shakes, and other blended drinks. The blades are sharp and efficient, quickly pulverizing fruits, vegetables, and ice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.